Namaste friends, आप सब कैसे हैं? This video is about understanding the difference between the phonetics and pronunciation of the alphabets R and R. If your native language is Spanish, Arabic or any other Indian language, you won't face any problem pronouncing the R because the Spanish R, the Arabic Ra and the R in other Indian languages are almost the same. But if your native language is English, then you will have to practice a bit of tongue rolling. Rrr. Well, pronunciation can be learned with time, slowly by practice. But as of now, you must understand the difference between R and R when you hear them. Okay? Now, R is a completely different sound which is not present in many languages. It is a retroflex sound. Now, this is how we pronounce it. Suppose this is the roof of our mouth and this is the tongue which is movable. Now, first, we take our tongue backwards, and as we move the tongue forward, it must hit the roof of the mouth. R, R. Okay. As it hits the roof of the mouth, it would produce the sound R. ठीक है? It has to be a flap or a hit. In IPA terminology, it is called a voiced retroflex flap. Now I'm going to show you a short video from a YouTube channel called Articulatory IPA, in which you will see how the R sound is pronounced.
R.
Now you have seen that R is a retroflex flap and how it is pronounced. Now in contrast to this, I will show you a video in slow motion from Wikipedia in which a non-native person is trying to roll the tongue and pronounce R, the extended R sound. Till now you must have understood that the R sound is a bit thicker than the R sound. Let's have a look at some examples and I will pronounce them. Raat, raat, kharrata, kharrata, gadbad, gadbad, ladka, ladka. ठीक है? If you still have any doubts, you can ask them in comments below. A special thanks to my friend Kumar Anune for requesting this video. Keep asking, keep learning. अगली क्लास में फिर मिलेंगे. चलता हूँ. नमस्ते.